Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Tom Yum Bulgogi noodles. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 1 pack of Bulgogi noodles, about 2 tablespoons of Tom Yum paste, and fresh lime juice. Don't forget your protein, like shrimp or chicken, and some vegetables such as mushrooms and cherry tomatoes. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's cook the noodles perfectly. Bring about 550 milliliters of water to a boil in a small pot. Add your Bulgogi noodles and let them cook for exactly 3 minutes. After cooking, drain most of the water, but be sure to reserve about 8 tablespoons of that starchy noodle water. This reserved water is crucial for creating our rich Tom Yum sauce. Now for the heart of the dish, the Tom Yum sauce. In your reserved noodle water, thoroughly mix in the entire Bulgogi sauce packet. Then, stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of Tom Yum paste, adjusting to your taste preference. Finish with a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice to add a vibrant, zesty kick. Combine everything well until the sauce is smooth and wonderfully fragrant. Finally, let's bring it all together. Add your perfectly cooked noodles directly into the prepared Tom Yum sauce. Next, toss in your cooked protein and any vegetables you've prepared, like mushrooms and cherry tomatoes. Stir everything together until every strand of noodle and every ingredient is evenly coated in that delicious sauce. Garnish with fresh cilantro and enjoy your homemade Tom Yum Bulgogi noodles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.